Hey there, gonna show you a little breathing technique today. In Pilates, we breathe into our rib cage. A diaphragmatic breath is what gives life. We have this dome-shaped muscle called the diaphragm underneath our rib cage here. It actually mirrors our throat and our pelvic floor. So when we inhale, it is a pump. It's an internal pumping system. So we release through our pelvic floor, our ribs dome, and our throat dome. So that's your inhale. Expansion, expansion, expansion here, out and into your back, and then down. And then exhale, we gather everything in. The diaphragm contracts, and then we wrap the transversus around. We're lifting up from that pelvic floor, and we lift the breath up through the throat. Inhale. Soften, expand. I like to imagine being in a sphere, and then exhale. You turn that sphere into a cylinder. Inhale. All the way around. Exhale. Inhale. Get into those back ribs. Exhale. So you can take your hands, you can go here, you can hug yourself here. You've got your intercostals of your rib cage here, so your fingers can wrap into the intercostals there. Or if you don't feel like you get a good enough grip there, you can kind of hold it like this, like someone's gonna pick you up from your rib cage there. I also love a theraband. If you wrap a band here, you can get that proprioception, which I should be able to get here. So a band like this, bring it in, we wrap it around, give it a little tug, and this I feel is the best way to receive proprioception here, to understand how you're breathing. I like my feet grounded and rooted for alignment. So inhale. You can really feel that expansion when you've got the theraband. Exhale. Navel to spine, lifting up from the pelvic floor without moving the bony structures. Inhale. And exhale. Relaxing the shoulders. Now carry this breath with you throughout your day. There will be days I probably won't take this off now. I'll do some stuff around the house with this on to check in on my breath. Yoga breath is a lot of pranayama through the belly. Also great. Doesn't quite do the pumping and moving the chi that the diaphragmatic breath does. That actually reduces, gets you into a parasympathetic state and alkalizes your nervous system in your body and relaxes your vagus nervous system as well. It's all connected to your brain and your gut. And so if you can hone in on this diaphragmatic breath, I feel like you will be really starting to connect with your body, your pelvic floor, your abdominals. And then once this all gets in alignment, then your posture is going to improve. Your physical fitness is going to improve. Your mental health improves because your brain communicates with your gut and your gut communicates to your brain. Okay? That is why when you're eating like crap, you feel like crap and you have crap thoughts. When you are eating well, you have thoughts of clarity. You are clear. Everything is almost just laid out before you in complete ease. So this is a little bit of breath for you. If you have any questions, HMU.